I will upgrade the SSD with these few things. Just similar packages, and okay, for this one, don't really wanna make a cool transition because this is the SSD. This is the SSD, and now you might be asking, why didn't you just buy an M.2? I heard that this guy actually has a lot better eye cooling. My laptop gets hot quite easily. I don't know if it's because of the fan or whatever. So I just bought this. You know, I have another slot for an M.2, but I just didn't wanna. Fuck it! I bought a 1TB SSD, 0.5 inch. I'm gonna use it. Okay. The other one, who knows? I mean, it costs more, that's for sure, but it costs something like what, $20 extra for this one. Other than that, yeah, that's fine. On to the fucking hard shit. I watched a video about putting on the 5-inch SSD, and you need 4 screws apparently. And if I don't have the screws, then I can't fucking build it. Hopefully there are some screws that I can use. Nope, there are no screws. I have to buy I have to buy screws. But look at this. Look at this bad boy. That's beautiful. I don't know if it's just me, but I love looking at it. Okay, there's no screws, so I can't fucking I can't continue the bit. Seriously, man. Whatever. Now I am impatient, okay? I want to put the thing on today because next week I have a lot of software that I need to download for college. So, I'm gonna give up. Did I crack under zero pressure? You may call it that. Do I have a crack on my ass? Everyone got a crack on their ass. But, today is a defeat, okay? It's not like it wasn't a defeat. I'm trying to make a pun with screw. Let me go back here. When I opened the SSD, it said screw you. Yeah, I thought that was funnier. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to my local computer place and have him install it. I'm gonna lock my door because my brother just woke up. Fucking cringe if he sees me recording a video. Okay. I am going to clean my laptop. So instead of you looking at me upgrading a schlick SSD, you're gonna see my hair. Alright, this is a bit embarrassing, but turns out there is a risk on putting on that SSD. I'm glad I didn't put it on, but my local store told me that I bought it secondhand. Not secondhand, but like, you know, not from the official Acer. It says it might fry the motherboard. That's what they said because it's not original. In conclusion, if you want an easier installation, buy the M.2. But if you're like me, an idiot, then just buy the fucking 2.5 inch. It's like, why not? You know? And then, fuck.
And so it begins. As Ivan went home to his humble yet subtle abode, he starts to accept defeat. Am I truly an idiot? Only to be disturbed by the YouTube angels that told him his original SATA cable might be in his old Acer box back in 2019. Where did his old box in which an original SATA cable could be located? He then starts a journey no man has ever tried or dared since
Jumanji.
A journey that would take him to the highest Alps of Mount Fuji, to the monks of the Tibetan highlands, in which he started to reconcile. Maybe he did throw out the old laptop bags, making him the biggest idiot that has ever bought a gaming laptop.
Hey! Fair enough.
He meditated day after day till he grew a half beard, but his genetics didn't allow him, so he made his weird looking neck beard. There were some days in which he thought of giving up, but no, that wasn't
a choice.
And so he starts to travel again, this time to his Sumatran ancestry and the highlands of Sederhana. Hey, this ain't an ad. He lied in bed waiting for the response of Acer customer service, only to be spoiled again and again by hour-long replies. But at last, after he became Spider-Man and beat the dust gods, he finally reached the peak of his closet.
I checked everywhere for my box, and turns out I did leave it at the top of it, so I can indeed install the fucking SSD today without buying a piece of shit. Fuck! I'm gonna actually do it myself because I already paid for the needles, so might as well I fucking... So, there has been a lot of drama just to put on this damn SSD, partly on my part, and then I do needed to buy the screws for it. And guess what? I checked the fucking box. They had screws, so I'm gonna install it today. All right, got my camera set up. SSD here. My needle, my SATA, and then this is. Okay. Seriously have no idea what this thing does. Alright, well, it says from the paper here, I use it to open it, but I don't know which. One thing when I bought this is that I am not supposed to use any metal when you open the laptop. I'll show you in a bit as to why, but I'm probably going to use this, or this guy is supposed to be the good one, right? I don't know what this one is for. Now, what we're gonna do is just, casually open this thing. Not like I had trouble doing it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. And I'm so glad that this one pissed me off because I didn't know I couldn't open the fucking thing. Turns out this is a insurance seal. Okay, I have all my parts open. Find a way. Now I got my tools, so it should be. Okay, I heard to open it actually from the upside down like this. Damn. Oh. Okay. All right. I was not supposed to happen, but it did. Okay, this part is off. I don't know how the fuck to open this other part. There we go. Okay, this side. I'm just gonna put a fucking pin there. I'll take another pin. I'm scared shitless right now. It is not supposed to open like that. Come on, bro. You know you wanna... Okay. Alright. I'm gonna pack everything. If I broke something, I have to buy it. Alright. I thought it would be a lot more dirtier, but it is not. Let's just put this guy. I have to kind of, how do I say this? Open the entire heat sink, which I'm gonna do later. Before we do anything, we have to turn off the system first. I believe that cable is this pink one. Before we do anything, I'm just gonna look it up on YouTube because that's the only way.
If we look closely, we can see some additional upgrades.
Okay, it is this pink thing. See these screws here? And over the edge there. I'm just gonna put all of them there, That's the plan. Last screw, usually the hardest because it's the last one. Okay, but that one just fit perfectly. Okay, now we have everything. This is tight. Okay. I'll say, considering I know a good amount of electrical engineering, you just need some little spark just to break everything. All right. We are done. What? It's disconnected. Okay, it's disconnected. Okay, I shouldn't give a shit. Okay, this is the most nerve-wracking fucking part. This one right over here, which is connecting this blue cable. Okay, this is just a leap of faith, man. Like, so I'm gonna put this guy onto that thing there, and you know, my table is like I can't find a good. Okay, I'm a bit. Where the fuck do you connect? Is it above it? Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, it's supposed to be above it, guys. You are in. Okay. I'm assuming that's in.
Feels like it's connected.
Oh, it feels like it's connected. So you don't even... This is so scary. Yeah, guys, I have no idea. You know what? I don't know. I really have no clue if it's connected right or not. You know what? This is probably the deepest it can go. I'm done. Oh, I'm done. Oh yeah, before I do that, come on. I kind of forgot. I kind of have to put this guy back in. So it turns out in BIOS you can't really see anything, but here it is detected. Look at that shit. Unauthenticated. And I can't put it. I'm such a good engineer, bro. Anyway, see you next video.